Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you the outcome of our last video showing you how to set up the glass to output the size properly. Shout out to Pavel Skabroksko. You sent a comment in. You can simply do this in door setup. So I'm going to show you that just so everybody knows. Thank you for letting me know that. We went on an absolute journey to set that up last time. Totally not necessary. So we're just going to amend that. We're going to show you the easy way to do it thanks to our fantastic people that watch these videos. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is going to be a short video because I massively overcomplicated setting glass door sizes. We're just going to show you how to do it properly. So you go into doors. We're going to pick my glass door. And all I ended up having to do was right click, adjust insets, and then set these numbers right here. So much simpler. I'm so stupid, but that's okay. Thank you for commenting, and this is why our community helps, and these videos hopefully help you guys for the future. So that is it. That is all you have to do is adjust that, and you're done. Yeah, I mean, I feel like you probably learned a few things if you watched that last video about custom parameters and stuff. That's why I said if anybody has any better ideas on how to do that, I just didn't know that little menu was there. So awesome to see that. Thanks for watching this short little 2-minute video, guys. Have a great one. Take care.
If you're eager to dive deeper into Mozaik, enhance your shop, or explore the possibilities with CNC routers and 3D printing, you're in the right place. Your feedback drives our content, so subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials and tips. Watch out for our next video.